Get 30% per annum yield on your investment now. You have to make a fixed deposit of the crypto coin Axie Infinity. This investment is 100% safe, secure and reliable and provided by Nexo. Let's know how this is possible? And what we have to do. First you have to download the application from Play Store, or you can also use our referral link given in description box. You will as shown above. After downloading the application, complete KYC and create account, verify email extras. Once it gets ready, then come back to the application. You can see here, flexible term excess interest rate is 24%, if you make fixed deposit for 1 month, you will get 4% extra. And, if you have platinum tier, you will even gain 2%, so making a total equals 30%. Yes, 30% per annum means 2.5% per month. Which is really 5 times more than savings bank account. But it can become advantage as excess Infinity coins price increases, then you will have a lot of profit too. Risk warning. Investing in crypto can be risky, and someone should invest only she has knowledge about it. This video don't promise guaranteed profit, neither it has been promoted by anyone. It's just for education purpose. Thanks for watching. Subscribe now to get more informative videos like this. And stay top in your financial journey with us.